What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. This is video 2 of the day. We're getting ready to install the spark plug wires, and we'll probably go ahead and do the spark plugs, guys. It's been a super long day, hot day, but we'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright, now we got that out the way, guys. We got the JDMSPEED spark plug wires. We're gonna be running those, and then we got the NKG spark plugs somewhere around here. Oh, here they are. They right here. So it's super hot, guys. I'm under a tent right now, just trying to stay a little cool. Yeah, let's pop open this box. Let's go in and see if these are gonna work. The factory ones didn't work. Let me show y'all real quick. Trying to cool off a little bit. So if you look right here, look, can't plug it up because of the header. See, it's right on the dang header. So matter of fact, that's a perfect spot. Let's try one right there first and see if that works. It's been a long weekend. Y'all drop down in the comments, let me know what y'all accomplished this weekend. Did y'all just party and not do nothing? Or did y'all accomplish something? Y'all drop down in the comments, let me know. And then if you don't want to say nothing, just drop down in the comments and put super smooth game. Hold on, let me get this open. Alright, we got the box open. So let's check these out. Let's see if this does better. We're gonna know right off the jump if it's gonna be better. Make sure we got this going the right way. Dang, why everything gotta be difficult? There we go. Alright, that one broke. Hold on, let me grab some pliers. Y'all tell Waddy happy birthday. It was Waddy's birthday. Y'all tell him happy birthday. Y'all drop happy birthday in the comments. And then hashtag super smooth gang, right?
I got this from my dad. He got from my birthday.
Yeah, you got your new whip. Got your new whip. They rolling. They rolling. Alright, guys, let's see if we can pop that out, that broken piece. And we'll see if these new ones line up. I just want to see if one of them line up, and then if so, we gonna I need to go ahead and pull these spark plugs out on the cool. Dang it, I need some real pliers too. These are my cutters. There we go. Got it all. Alright. I don't know if I'm gonna plug it all the way on there, because we gotta put the new spark plugs in. Oh, that's gonna look good. That's gonna look real good. That red on there, sheesh. Yeah, that's gonna work. Yeah, that's gonna work, guys. Let me grab a spark plug socket. We're gonna pull them out. Man, my battery went dead. I got one in though, guys. So we'll plug it up right here. Snapped in. Man, You know what? I've been having a rough day. I think I'm finna call it quits. This day ain't been going too good. Like, for real. So it's gonna sit like that. That looks good. This front one shouldn't be hard to get out. And on the AC Delco is .060, and then on the end, what was it? The NGKs is .040. Alright, this front one wasn't too bad. Oh man. Yeah, that front one wasn't too bad, guys. Got that plugged in. Bottom plugged in. My bad, I'm looking at the spark plug. Alright, that's locked in place. That's locked in place. I'm gonna go ahead and knock these out. See, that one wouldn't even plug up at all either. See, wouldn't even plug up. So, yeah, I'll knock the rest of these out, guys. We'll turn y'all back on. Alright guys, I got one whole side done, and it's looking like it's gonna be a wrap. So y'all already know the routine. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you want to see the end of the video or the outlook of the car, you gotta subscribe, guys. So we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.